Good morning and hello, I'm Professor Code and this is the Forex Supermodel Racing Review for Tuesday the 19th of July 2022. Quick look at yesterday's results then for Monday the 18th. We were Ballinrobe on the flat, the last race 8:35. We had a go at number 5 Thermoscope, which came fourth at 15-2. We got a fair bit better than that. Initially we got 1.875 units at 12-1. And we said we weren't going to top it up, but when it drifted to 15-1, we just added another 1.25, an eighth of a unit at 15-1. So we were exposed to 0.3125 of a unit. In the end, it lost, but that's just the way it goes. It was a good value bet for us. Yet again, this number 3 Midnight Run, the 6-4 favourite, came in. As an 8-year-old as well as an FTO, which is quite unusual. Anyway, so what's been happening recently? Well, with the last 7 races we've done, the favourites, all 7 favourites have come in, which is quite unusual. We've had 3 seconds at fairly decent odds, just beaten. And so the account's come down a little bit. It's plus 55.90 units in profit overall. So we're due for a swing. Anyway, we'll stop it there and write up today's racing. But we're back, we've written up today's racing then, so for Tuesday the 19th of July. No filter 1, which is our structure filter, no ratio, but we do have an alternate, a Musselburgh on the flat 225. It's an EBF, European Breeders' Fund, restricted maiden filly stakes qualifier, class 4, 2-year-old, 7 furlongs, 33 yards good, and we've modelled that at 94. So what does that mean then? So 7 furlongs model 94, Musselburgh. If you look at Dundalk and Lingfield, 7 furlongs on the all-weather, 97, fair bit quicker. Kempton 96, Newcastle getting there 95, and Chelmsford and Wolverhampton 92, slower. So it's in between Newcastle and Chelmsford and Wolverhampton as a pace surface profile situation. So that puts it into context. There's 5 in this race. We'll get rid of the ones we don't like first. So number 1 then, FOMO. That's been racing at Beverley, Redcar, Nottingham, Pontefract and Beverley. The last race at Beverley, 7.5 furlongs. Very low grade event basically, 45-62 ratio marks. Generally not good enough for the current situation, so give that a chop. Then you've got this likely favourite, which is number 3, Lady Lavina. What do we know about Lady Lavina? It's had 3 runs, Ripon, 26th the 5th, Chelmsford, 2nd of the 6th, and Pontefract, 19th of the 6th. Now, this is a sort of a steady one-paced horse, and it looks very beatable. And its profile going in isn't that clever as far as we're concerned. So we'll give Lady Lavina the chop. Now there's a line through Lady Lavina and Sweet Fortune. They've been in the same race, in other words, in this context. If you look at Sweet Fortune, that's been having a run at Pontefract in this Ripon race on the 4th of the 7th. And the Pontefract race is the one which is similar to Lady Lavina, 19th of the 6th. So we don't feel that's good enough, certainly not if Lady Lavina is not good enough, this one's not good enough. So so we've got rid of those 3, there's 5 in the race, there's 2 left. We've got to look at this FTO then, this Maureen's Lass. Again, limited information there. The market doesn't like it, but we're not going to get caught out on that one. So we're going to go 0.125 of a unit, and we've got 21-1 on that one, just to square it up. So we've done that one as in that context. The one we really like is this Hello Havana, number 2. And what do we like about Hello Havana? Well, it's had 2 runs. Hamilton on the 15th of the 6th, It's a novice 5 furlong, so that's a fair bit. That's model 99. It's a fair bit quicker, so it's a speed. And basically, if you look at that horse in the replay, and it's worth a look, you'll see that it's basically strangled early on. It's pulling for its head and is choked off. And actually, the winner of that race, the 15th of the 6th, ended up going on to be 14th out of 20 at the Newbury Super Sprint. So that's a very significantly good sprint there. So it's got a little bit of a class factor thrown to it. Then they took this Hello Havana, which is our horse, on the 27th of the 6th to Musselburgh 7 furlongs in a maiden, which is the same sort of situation we've got here. The difference being is that on the 27th of the 6th, this was a mixture of colts and fillies, and our horse, Lady Havana, was the only filly up against 3 colts, and it ran very well, and was early on it was strangled again. So we think this horse is going to do very well. It's a qualifier, which is often used for these sort of horses, and we've sort of had a go at that one. So we've got 0.25 of the unit on as a win early on the exchanges, and we've got an average of 17 to 1. Nobody really likes this at the moment, but they will. And we've also got 2 places at 3.9 to 1 on the horse. So we've got a sort of a low key 2 place each way on Hello Havana number 2, and we've also got just a straight win on this Maureen's Lass, which is an FTO. So that's what we're doing. We could do with a change of fortune. As I said, we've had 7 favourites bang in a row on us, and that's just the way it goes. That's quite unusual, but these things happen. So anyway, we're going to review that tomorrow. Thanks for subscribing, and thanks for watching, and goodbye.